In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed ClickUp in Notion. The first thing you need to do is go to the ClickUp workspace that you want to embed in Notion. Next, find the specific task list or board view you want to embed. Now, click the Sharing and Permissions button. You'll find this at the top right corner of your ClickUp view. Enable the Share Link with Anyone option. Then, click on Copy Public Link. Once you've copied the link, go to the Notion page where you want to embed ClickUp. Simply paste the ClickUp link directly into the Notion page. A menu will appear. From there, select Create Embed. After that, click and drag the corners of the embed to adjust its size within the Notion page. You can now interact with your ClickUp tasks or views directly from Notion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.